Good day, Miss Lizelle. How are you today?
I am fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Lizelle Chu Zacarias, 37 years old. I am married with 2 children, all boys. My husband is a driver. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. My father is a driver. My mother is already deceased. I am undergraduate in college. I work as a housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years, since March 2005 until June 2007. My major duties are cleaning house, taking care of the children aged 11 years old, 9 years old, and 6 years old.
Can you tell now your daily activities on how you take care of the children?
Yes, sir, madam. I prepare meals for them, send them to school, play with them, and read storybook to them. And I love children very much.
Okay, so and then aside from taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
I go marketing, cleaning the house, and cleaning the household appliances, and ironing, washing clothes.
And do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
I can cook Philippine dish, and I'm willing to learn Chinese food.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. I make sure that the house is clean and untidy all the time, and I make sure that children are taking care safety.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family financially, and my father is getting older and sick.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Yes, sir, madam. Good day. Please give me a chance to work and to serve with your family as your domestic helper. I promise to follow the rules and regulation and responsibilities as your domestic helper. I will be honest, hardworking, trustworthy to your family, and I also finish 2 years contract. Thank you, sir, madam, for your time.
Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show us your best song?